Hey guys, Justin here. I am in Kwinana right now. A wrong direction to Mandurah on the other side and a wrong direction towards Perth / Aubin Grove is arriving on platform 2. They actually crossed out the two Mandurah wordings. 4097. Yeah, it says to Perth. You can clearly see the train thing actually says to Perth on the head of the train. You see Perth? See Perth? Yeah, Perth. You see it on the train, definitely. So it's nine. What I forgot. Now, of course, we're going to film the direction that is actually obviously the wrong direction. So you can see we're in at Aubin Grove because, of course, we only can travel one station to Aubin Grove. Let's just do that. 6096. Did I have taken this train yet? Nope, not yet taken this train today. Aubin Grove. Where this service terminates. Know where this service terminates, huh? 4 something, and I forgot. Take the Aubin Grove and terminates. So, according to the caption, wrong side #2. Because that should be the normal side, but we're going on the right side today. So basically it's one train normal, one train wrong side. The system today. So, it's alternate for both platforms. So that's why they crossed out the platform signs to what they crossed that section out, because it is pointless to have that on, because trains will arrive on both platforms for both directions. So station, Perth. This train runs from Perth to Butler, stopping at all stations. So we arrived at the normal Mandurah platform when we reach Aubin Grove, and then this train will go back the normal way. Trains traveling on the right hand side of the track isn't that weird to me, because in Hong Kong, Tuen Ma line, the Ma Shan line sections, I mean actually not Ma Shan line sections, the Tuen Ma line Song Wong Toi to Wu Kai Sha sections, they are on the right hand side of the track. So there are lines in Hong Kong for real traveling on the right hand side of the tracks. So that's why I'm not really that weird and surprised to have trains running on the right hand side of the tracks. The right hand side tracks, I mean. In Hong Kong, is it only Tuen Ma line? Do we have other lines that actually run on the right as well? No, just Tuen Ma line. Also, Whampoa to Yamate. I mean, Whampoa to Yamate, yes. This section also on the right hand side of the tracks. Mongkok and Prince Edward doesn't count because basically they're separate into 2 levels for that one, so yeah. So that's basically it. The Kwun Tong line extension section to Whampoa from Yamate, and Tuen Ma line Wu Kai Sha to Song Wong Toi travel on the right hand side. Everything else on the left. Next station, Aubin Grove. It's open on the left here, so Next station, Aubin Grove, where this service terminates. I think they really should set up something like this because they always have train disruption. They should set up the announcement better.
Next station,
Aubin Grove. Right, doors open on the left. Usually on the right, but we're on the left this time. Alright, arrived. It's under the bridge anyways. Here we are. Doors open on the left.
this train terminates at this station. All passengers please alight.
It's always this side that is stopped. I'm so confused. I must have switched going out the road would be fun. I come off here all the time.
Alright.
Literally. You see that couple building right there?
This is Aubin Grove. Alright. That's this turn there where this train terminates. Hope you guys enjoyed today's Mandurah line disruption videos. And I will go out to film buses now, and for the last trip, which will be uploaded tomorrow. Bus videos will be uploaded. Buses will be uploaded tomorrow in the bus channel, so remember to go subscribe. Check out the numbers afterwards. Click on these videos up top. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys later. Peace!